Okay, just thought you might be interested to see the Albert Hall fibre patch bay, and here it is, if you can see it. Single mode fibres, and there they are, ready to be patched. And OB companies tend to just cut the ends like that, and then they come along and re-terminate them like so. They have a thing called a fusion splicer, and there you go. And then they all patch out of that hole in the wall. So there you go, there's the patch bay, and if you're interested, some somewhat mega power distribution, what's for the whole of the Albert Hall